Welcome to Poda's Kitchen. Today I will show you my mom's special chicken handi recipe. She has been making this at home for years and the gravy turns out rich, thick and full of flavor every single time. The chicken becomes soft and juicy and it tastes absolutely amazing with naan, roti or rice. In this video, my mom will be preparing the recipe and I will take you through every single step so you can easily make this chicken handi recipe at home with very simple spices and ingredients. So without wasting any time, let's start cooking. Here's everything you will need to make this delicious chicken handi recipe. For a family of 4 to 5 people, you can use one large chicken which should be cut into 5 or 6 big pieces. Along with that, you will need 6 small onions, 3 fresh tomatoes and a handful of coriander leaves which will add a fresh finishing touch at the end. To build that rich and flavorful gravy, you'll also need around 15 garlic cloves, 5 to 6 green chilies and a small piece of fresh ginger. These ingredients help bring out the authentic taste and aroma of the dish. You'll also need 2 tablespoons of ginger garlic paste and 2 tablespoons of curd, which will give the gravy a smooth and creamy texture. Now, let's move on to the spices which are the heart of literally any recipe. First, you will need 2 teaspoons of turmeric powder, along with 2 teaspoons of cumin seeds. For the whole spices, take a small mix of black peppercorns, cloves and green cardamom, which will give the curry a deep and warm flavor. For the powdered spices, you will need 2 tablespoons of red chili powder, 2 tablespoons of coriander powder and 2 tablespoons of curry or chicken masala powder. Once all these ingredients are ready, you can move on to the marinating process. To marinate the chicken, start by blending 3 onions, 1 tomato, fresh ginger and garlic cloves into a smooth paste. Next, take a large mixing bowl and add the chicken pieces. Add 2 tablespoons of turmeric powder, 2 tablespoons of red chili powder and 2 tablespoons of curd, which will help make the chicken tender and flavorful. After that, pour in the freshly prepared onion and tomato blend. Add salt according to your taste. Now add 4 to 5 tablespoons of mustard oil, which will give the chicken handi its rich aroma and authentic flavor. Once everything is in the bowl, mix it really well so that every piece of chicken gets fully coated with the marinade. After the mixing is complete, let the chicken rest for at least 1 hour, which will help the meat stay juicy, absorb all the flavors properly, and become extra tender while cooking. Steam cook the marinated chicken for around 25 to 30 minutes at medium to high heat. Add enough mustard oil to properly fry 1 finely chopped onion. Cook it on medium heat until it turns golden brown, which will add a rich flavor and beautiful color to the chicken handi. Use the same oil to lightly fry the steam cooked chicken. Fry at medium to low heat until the outer layer turns nicely brown. This step should take no more than 5 minutes. Make sure not to burn the chicken skin as you only want a light golden color and a slightly crispy texture. Saute 3 finely chopped onions, 2 chopped tomatoes, and 3 to 4 sliced green chilies along with whole spices like black peppercorns, cloves, and black cardamom. Cook everything together until the onions turn golden brown, which will help build a deep and rich flavor for the chicken handi. Once the mixture cools down slightly, blend everything together into a slightly thick paste which will be used in the next step to create the rich and flavorful gravy base. Once again, fry one finely chopped onion until it turns golden brown. Then add the freshly prepared paste to the pan and cook it well for a few minutes. After that, slowly add all the powdered spices that were mentioned earlier, allowing them to cook properly with the masala, so the flavors blend together beautifully. After adding all the masalas, 1 tablespoon of clarified butter will be added to the mixture, giving the gravy a richer taste, a smoother texture, and that classic restaurant style aroma. Next, add some fenugreek leaves and fresh coriander leaves, which will give the base masala a rich aroma and fresh flavor. Once the masala is well cooked and the oil starts to separate slightly, pour in about 1 liter of water and mix everything well. After adding the water, let the mixture cook for another 5 minutes so the gravy develops a smooth and balanced flavor. Add the fried chicken pieces to the boiling gravy one by one and let everything cook together for another 10 to 15 minutes. This will help the chicken absorb all the rich flavors of the masala while making the gravy thicker, deeper, and more delicious. Thank you so much for watching this chicken handi recipe. I really hope you enjoyed the video and found the recipe easy to follow. If you try this at home, I hope it turns out rich, flavorful, and absolutely delicious. Until next time, take care, enjoy your meal, and I'll see you again soon with another amazing recipe.